I thought nice and easy, I'll get an apartment, put the rent down and I'll be able to get something. Completely wrong.
Welcome to the O2 messaging service.
There's a waiting list of 2,000 people. A lot of people might go, £2,200 a month. You can't charge that in Manchester. Trust me, you can charge that in Manchester. Now, the cost of living in Manchester is actually 40% cheaper than it is in London. So what I want to show you is why investing in northern cities is so profitable for landlords. We're in one of the biggest cities in the UK. There's only 360 properties on the market at one time. Having 360 properties to rent is unheard of. And that's why you see developers focus their attention in on Manchester just now. Last year, developers built roughly about 5,500 homes right here in Manchester. But again, that's still not enough houses to keep up with the demand. And on average, the rents alone have went up by 20%. So you've had the capital growth, there's been a big boom area in Manchester, and your rents have also went up in 1 year, just 1 year, by 20%. It's about supply and demand. There's not enough houses in Manchester alone to house the amount of people that want to actually live here. And Manchester, for me, with all the growth within the area, with all the people moving to Manchester, that's the kind of area that I want to be in. I want to be in a boom area. Now, I'm actually going to be renting. And you might be saying, well, Gordie, you're a property investor. Why are you not purchasing? Well, I don't know what area I want to be within Manchester yet. I've never lived here before. So all I'm going to do is take out a rental for 6 months, get to know the city, get to know the area, figure out where I may want to be. So that's the reason I'm renting and I'm not purchasing. When I thought of moving to Manchester, I thought nice and easy, I'll get an apartment, put the rent down and I'll be able to get something. Completely wrong.
Welcome to the O2 messaging service.
So on that property, are you doing viewings on it? I'm happy to pay more than the market rent. I'm happy to pay the rent up front, but someone's already put down a deposit to reserve the property. There's a waiting list of 2,000 people. So another one, happy to pay rent up front, happy to pay more than what the rent is, and I'm still getting knocked back. But from an investor point of view, it's really good because they've got a waiting list of 2,000 plus people. She said, for someone trying to move to Manchester or get an apartment in Manchester, not so good. So as you can see, from a renter's point of view, it's extremely frustrating. I can't get anywhere to rent. People don't answer the phone. Doesn't matter what you do, the landlords are fully in control. So as investors, it's a great time to invest. So what I'd like to do, invite you to come and spend 1 hour with me and I can show you exactly how this crazy market out there can benefit you and make you more money. So click the link below and come along and figure out exactly how you can do just that. Luckily, I've managed to get in with a couple of estate agents now because they've been trying for so long who have let me come and see 2 apartments today. So fingers crossed that I'm going to be able to secure an apartment today. So that's us arrived in Manchester. So I've got a couple viewings now. My viewings are 5 minutes away in Deansgate. So I'm gonna go and get a coffee quickly and then head straight over. So I've just went and seen apartment number 1. So we're gonna play some footage beside it. Really, really slick, nice apartment. And this is what people are looking for. You've got the beautiful views over Manchester, nice size, 2 beds. So as you can see, this one's on the market for £2,200 a month. Now, a lot of people might go, £2,200 a month. You can't charge that in Manchester. Trust me, you can charge that in Manchester. And to be fair, there's other apartments in that block that are available in June. Their prices are higher than 2,200 because they know the demand, they know they can get it, supply and demand, so they're putting their prices up. But personally, what my thought was, I love the apartment, love the view. If I'm going to be picky, I would like a view of the other towers, but it's still absolutely stunning view. Now I'm off to see the next apartment. It's actually not too far away from this one. It's in a nicer building in my opinion, but the apartment's not as nice. So let me go and have a look at it and I'll see if I can get more footage for you. So you may ask why Manchester? Well, now just to be clear, it doesn't need to be Manchester. A lot of the major cities up north, your Birminghams, your Liverpools, are all in a very similar position, but I'm standing in Manchester, so let's use Manchester as an example. You look at London, the cost of living in London is extremely high, as I'm sure a lot of people watching this video are going to understand. Now, you can't live a top quality level of life in London, even if you're on a really good salary, you've got an okay business. And this is why so many people are moving north, especially with HS2 coming in. You're going to be able to get out of London extremely fast. Now, the cost of living in Manchester is actually 40% cheaper than it is in London. You've got more money to spend. You're able not to afford a small studio or a 1-bed, you're now able to afford a beautiful 2-bed and a tower that looks over Manchester. What you'll see across the major cities, just the apartments that we're viewing today, The majority of them have got co-working spaces. They've got gyms, some have got swimming pools. And what the developers now try to do is create a hub, so you really don't need to leave the apartment. Everything's there. So I've just went and seen the second apartment, and there's different levels. That one's stunning, but the one that I've just seen is unbelievable. You've got a cafe on the right-hand side. You've then got co-working space. You've even got a kitchen area where you can have your family come round and they can do cooking and all the rest of it, so you don't even need to be in your apartment. Swimming pool's got a football pitch, it's got a gym. It's literally got everything in it. When you go up to the apartment, it's on the 28th floor. It's top end. So pricing this one, we're looking roughly about £2,500 a month in rent. So it's a 2-bed. It doesn't come with a car parking space, but again, you've got to look at the type of tenant you're attracting. This has been on the market for today. I'm literally about to put the security deposit down on it, and I'm hopefully gonna get it secured. If you want more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, leave comments below. I'll make sure that I answer them, and I look forward to seeing you next time.